This is an SAT test, and I want to show you what's in it so that your kid doesn't need us all the time for doing test trials. I'll talk about the importance of test trials next, but let me show parents and students what is in an SAT reasoning test. We have licensed them from the College Board. Many of them are available online anyway, so you don't absolutely need us. Our booklets show every student the number of questions in each of the 4 sections, and those 4 sections are very consistent. First section is reading, 65 minutes. Section is grammar. They have a longer name for it. We call it grammar, 35 minutes. Third section, math without calculator, 25 minutes. Fourth section, math with calculator, 55 minutes. Standard, it's been that way for over 3 years. There is a 5th section that has not been standard. The SAT has foisted it on kids kind of suddenly. Some kids are exempt if they're taking the essay instead of staying late and doing an experimental section. But that 5th section does not count. So there is a section that counts if you want it to, and that's the essay. That comes at the end, and the booklets have essay prompts. Maybe most important to a student doing this on her or his own. The booklets have answers, okay? Late in the booklet, kids can see right and wrong answers. And then even deeper in the booklet, a scale. The scale that shows how many right translates into a 200 to 800 scale for both math and verbal, which means no student needs to send away to some computer scoring system to get a tabled score. A score can be gotten at home 10 minutes after taking the test. Count the number right, apply it to the scale. There's a little bit of a formula involved. I'll show you that too. Finally, a student need not guess how many more right do I need to get to a certain score. The tables show that too. If you got a 610 in the math and you want to get to a 700, it shows you how many raw score points are needed to climb those 90 scaled score points. I urge kids to take tests. I urge